Alright, you guys, what is up? I'll set you guys up here. So, right now I just pulled out some cash. Today was not planned. I didn't even think about vlogging. I haven't vlogged in a minute. I know you guys missed the vlogs. I've been seeing what you guys comment on Panda's IG, my IG, on the videos. I think you guys that have been commenting and been giving me good advice and feedback, it's crazy. Like, you know, it may be a little, but it's a lot to me. I'm gonna go down to the Arendelle racetrack. I heard there was a meet. The first time I take Panda out, no one has seen him since the accident and all this other stuff. I heard a good friend of mine, Emma, will be there. I'm just gonna say what's up and just go from there. So I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm probably like at least about 3 miles away. So see you there. All right, you guys, got him parked, looking nice and clean next to his Genesis. Like I said, today was not planned. I was in the middle of editing. I just want to get out the house. And like, they have so many crazy cars here, like stuff like this. Damn, that's hard. I really didn't even plan the vlog, but I think those are the best type of vlogs, so that way, you know, who knows what's gonna happen next. Damn, what the hell is this? It's crazy. It's been a while since I've seen so many like tuned cars and stuff, because they look good. They have a lot of Civics here. I honestly don't know if I'm gonna do any filming or cinematics of the vehicles. I just want to hang out and have fun, get some inspiration on some of these other cars. Like, look at this Civic. That's fucking crazy. And they fit pretty good. A lot of crazy stuff going on. They're also drag racing in the back. I'm gonna walk around a bit and enjoy being here, and I'll probably show you guys some of the cars that I like, because there's so many Civics. Not now, but soon I'll be entering Panda into one of the events, but he's just not ready yet. Caught her in the vlog.
Hey, what's up?
What's up, Emma? What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up?
How you doing? What you doing? What? You made it, huh?
Got Nelson here. What I really like is these splitters, man. That's pretty badass. He's betting me $1. They're betting $1.
Okay.
I'm gon' find me some keys that they get in purse back. We came up on dirty money, I gave it a bird back. Cut off the brain,
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
I do it again, I lost this kicker.
What? Is this guy part of the Leaf Ninja? What the hell? Motherfucking Kakashi Sensei and shit over here.
Is this the gold one? Don't tell me this is the gold one, because I don't even know what the gold one is. I saw it earlier. This is gonna be like a trans brace, transmission bracket, or a differential bracket. Maybe a...
Hint. I'll give you one hint.
All right.
I gave you part of the part to this earlier. 2 parts before this.
2 parts. Is it the one I couldn't guess?
Yes. Yeah. What did I say? What did I say?
A mustache bar.
Okay, okay. But
what else?
What is that?
A mustache bar accessory.
I don't pass. I pass.
Guys, it's like I got these dope ass stickers because I'm making my own. But there's like so many cars, and especially like Velocers, because me and Ariel have been talking a lot about tuning up her car and rigging at kits and stuff. Like I really wish she was here because she can get a lot of like good ideas, like some type of splitter or something like that for her car. In this video, like comment down what bumper Ariel should get, if she should get turbo build or stay with her kind of like the base design and be creative and clever with that. She really likes the turbo model of her car because it is dope. She likes circle lights and just the way how the front bumper sits. But I'm gonna go back to Emma's booth. I didn't vlog that much because we just had fun. I actually need to get away and have some fun and be around cool cars and people, I guess. Because, oh my God, Ariel, where you at? Oh my God, Ariel. Follow him, Ariel. Different type of exhaust. Got the original. Nice ring. Tinted lights. Ask questions. Oh, that's a good idea. Me and Ariel were talking about doing something to that light. Oh. Emma's right here doing a little photo shoot. You gotta do one with Panda later. He's right there.
Dude, for real, Marty.
You guys, should I park Panda somewhere right here and do a photo? Because this Civic's giving me ideas. Panda's all the way right there. Popo. That's a dope shot. So right now, me and Emma and everyone are cleaning up the booth, so I'm gonna finish helping them out, and we're gonna get some food. So see you guys then. All right, people, we're here with Emma again. Panda chilling next to the Lovel.
Trying to get me to play.
Yeah, it's just... Emma hit me up and me and Ariel just got here. Yeah, we came last minute. We had some fun. We're gonna play like a few games. Nelson right here chilling. Some sick ass cars, little GTR. Even a Tesla chilling. We got a lot of people, some tacos, man. Hey. Yeah.
Start the West Empire, the beast, the best.
Yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. All day. Yup. She's always on. Showing Emma my car real quick.
I don't even have like a freaking
There he is.
like this. Oh shit.
Yeah, and it's Bluetooth and everything, and of course detachable wheel.
Oh my God,
All
let me
that.
sing it. Hold on.
So everything's on there. It's all Bluetooth.
Jesus, take the wheel.
Well,
That's cool. That's
and this
cool.
splitter is like kind of the recent thing I built.
Are you gonna paint this too?
Yeah, but I'm doing a need for.
Yeah. Okay. No.
Yes, I'm doing my own skit. But I just installed these because I got hit by motorcycles.
Wait, what?
Yeah, right here. That's why I haven't been posting. Right here, I got hit by the engine, and those spikes saved the whole car. It tore them all off.
Nice.
And
Dude, that's
Bro, I actually like this kid. Okay,
Thank you.
that's just actually hard.
Dude,
yeah, that's the Panda. And this one's out. I need to fix the wire, but this one.
Oh, that's cool.
I hit a dip on the way here, and me and Ariel noticed the light went out.
Oh, no way.
It just has a short in the wire.
Oh, my, yeah, you gotta change the fuse.
No, I just have to plug it. Oh, and back to me again. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'm gonna do a quick little cinematic, and I hope you guys enjoy. See you on the next vlog. Peace out. Just the other day, he just drove past me. It's crazy. I was at the gas station.
So here we go.